Welcome to Big Motoring World in Wimbledon, and this is your car of the week. Well, actually, it's my car of the week. Let's see what we've picked. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Oh, this is the Volkswagen Golf R. It is a GTI that has been to the gym, taken some anabolic somethings, and beefed up even more. Four-wheel drive, the same number of drives as the quad exhausts on the back. It is insane. 2 litres at the front, packs a punch, 0 to 62, 4.9 seconds. And because it's a German manufacturer, probably lying, it's probably quicker. This thing means a business, serious, very fast business. Now we've all managed to cool off a bit, let me actually just walk through what makes this a Golf R rather than a GTI or one of the other trim levels. So R stands for Rennen, which is the German word for racing. Bet you didn't know that. It does have upgraded suspension, upgraded brakes, 4-wheel drive, as I previously mentioned. The whole thing is designed to be squat, flat. It is slightly firmer, but you do have the option of making it slightly easier on the backside when you're driving due to the options inside. Overall, it is very, very quick. Variations of this Golf R do go racing. You'll see it all over the world on different racing tracks, including TCR that takes place all over the world. It is a serious bit of kit. It does look after you, it does have driver aids, ABS, traction control, that kind of thing, but you still need to be careful when you're behind the wheel because this thing will absolutely haul ass. If the general look and the sound isn't enough for people to know that you're driving an R, the R badge is absolutely everywhere. On the front, on the side, on the back, inside, on the seats. Rennen. Rennen. Nice little aesthetic touch that I really enjoy is the pulsing or sweeping indicators. They just make it look really snazzy. Let's go for a little trip inside. So starting with the steering wheel, very sporty. Buttons to control everything you need. Automatic gearbox, so you've got your flappy paddles. They do feel a little bit plasticky, but that said, they do the job. Flat bottom steering wheel, just like a race car. This is, after all, a Golf R. Seating position, very good, very comfortable, which is good when you get to my age and your back's feeling it a little bit, and good bolstering support. So if you do take a corner aggressively, you'll be fine. The actual infotainment system, very familiar, very, very Volkswagen. What you get in here, nice touch screen and your sat nav and DAB digital radio and a digital instrument cluster in front of you with your rev counter and your mileage indicator, all-round auto lights. There's nice little elegant touches in here, so kind of an ambient lighting as you look across when your door opens, which is nice. And of course you've got the R badge kind of littered around in here just in case you forget that you are in an R. Overall, very comfortable, very practical, but when you dial this up, it will be an absolute missile, incredible bit of kit. Is not what this car sounds like, because it is an absolute beast. Now, I possibly couldn't condone this type of action. Remember, this is not to be done at home, but you can't have a car like this without doing something like this. Don't you hate it on a warm day when you walk away from the car and you've left your windows down? Well, you don't actually have to go back with this, you just hold the lock button down on the Golf R's key and up the windows go. You can thank me later. And my big car fact about the R sub-performance brand from Volkswagen is that it is now over 20 years old, and it started in 2002 with the R32. That was our car of the week, the Golf R from Big Motoring World in Wimbledon. Tell us, would this be your daily driver? And let me finish with this. Why are pirates called pirates? Because they are. Get it? Go far. Ugh.